What's up, goddess? It's your girl Yay Money, your manifestation and inner work coach, and I'm back with another info-filled video. Today we're talking about the basics of manifestation. Like, what is it? How do you actually use it in your life? How do you use it to help you? I'm here to answer all of those questions, okay? So stay tuned. First things first, if you're here, you're probably here because you want to know how you can use manifestation to create more abundance in your life. Well, first things first, let's actually define what manifestation is. I define manifestation as the process of becoming an aligned match with the desire you are looking to attract. But what does all that mean, right? Manifestation works with a universal law called the law of attraction. Now, the law of attraction is basically a law that attracts things to you, both positive and negative. Okay, it's always working in your favor. You see, everything in your life is going to be attracted to you from your energy, from your thoughts, goddess. And so whatever you are thinking, whatever you are an energetic match for, is what you are attracting into your life. This is how the law of attraction actually works. Okay, it's bringing things to you, both positive and negative, that you are vibrating with, that you are an aligned match to. It can only bring to you what you are attracting. So when I say that manifestation is the process of becoming an aligned match to the desire that you are looking to attract, I'm saying that you are actually intentionally attracting things that you want to you, your desires. And the way that you do this is by aligning your energy, your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions, yes, your actions, to the manifestations that you are looking to attract. You see, when most people hear about manifestation, they're thinking, oh, it's a lot of meditation, some sound baths. You might get some woohoo, spiritual practices, a lot of wishful thinking. But that's not true. Those things may help. There are some useful tools that can be added to your manifestation practice, but that's not the end all be all. Now, when I teach my goddesses in my programs, in my courses about manifestation, I am teaching them the secret they don't tell you about manifestation. How you really, truly align with the desires that you are looking for, so that you can intentionally manifest everything that you're asking for. I teach my goddesses how to align their energy, their actions, their thoughts, their beliefs by becoming the identity of the woman who has the desire that they're looking to attract. What do I mean by that? If you can become the identity of the woman that has the desire that you are looking to attract, then you can intentionally manifest everything. See, this is the missing piece that they don't teach you. This is what the gurus out there are not explaining to you. The law of attraction can only work in your favor with manifestation if it's attracting what you want. In order to become the point of attraction, to get the thing that you're attracting, you have to be the aligned match for it. And so when you learn how to become the identity of the woman who has what you are desiring, it's automatic that the aligned match for that desire has to attract. You become the energetic match for it. You become the aligned match. And so therefore, when you become that identity of the woman who has the desire, you can't help but get what you were asking for. You can't help but manifest your abundant life. The law of attraction is always working. It is always working around you. It's a universal law. So why not use it with intention? Why not work with it instead of against it? Like, you see, what I'm teaching you right now, goddess, is the secret. This is how you manifest with intention. This is how you work with the laws of the universe. This is how you get what you want. When you can manifest with intention, then you can manifest the abundant life of your dreams. The life that you've been asking for, wishing for, praying for, because you now have the tools, because you've become the identity. When you become the identity first, you can watch your entire universe, your entire reality transform like magic. I remember being pregnant and afraid, okay? I remember having no money, no income, no way to buy diapers, stressed all day, every day about money, not knowing how I was going to provide for my daughter, for my family, how I was going to live a life of enjoyment when I could barely see past next week's bills. Where I was stuck in survival mode and scarcity mode all day, every day. Where I felt like my options were limited, where I was overwhelmed. It didn't matter how much work I was putting in. I wasn't receiving the results. I wasn't seeing the income. I wasn't seeing the life unfold that I was asking for, that I've been working so hard to get. It didn't matter what I did. But since I implemented the practices I'm telling you today, the concept that I had to become the identity of the woman who had the life that I was asking for, that I was dreaming for me, my daughter, my family, I went from being stressed out because I was working every day and not producing income, not having a thriving business, to having my dream business with my dream clients, manifesting money, manifesting an amazing partnership, manifesting the relationship that I've always asked for with my family, with my daughter, having time freedom, all the things that I have been wishing for and dreaming for, not having to go to a 9-to-5 every day. Oh my gosh. I got everything that I was asking for because I learned how to implement this one secret. And I'm telling you today, this is the basics of manifestation. This is what I teach my goddesses on a daily. Because I've experienced this in my own life, I know that this can work for you too, goddess. I know this process, that becoming the identity of the woman that you are asking for, the life that you are asking for, will work for you because I've done it for myself. I've seen the results in my clients. I've seen the results in the people that I have been speaking to. So I know that it can work for you. And it doesn't matter if this is your first time hearing about manifestation or this is your 100th time and you tried a little bit of this, tried a little bit of that, and it just didn't quite work for you. Or you've been trying all the tips, tricks, and hacks and it still didn't feel like you were seeing the results. Implement this right here. Start with this basic lesson. Become the identity of the woman who has the desire that you are looking for. Become intentional with your manifestations and watch the magic unfold for you guys. Either way, I am here with you. I am your manifestation inner work coach. I'm here to guide you and help you guys. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and join my free community. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description box below with all my goddesses. It's called Manifest Your Desires and Become the Woman of Your Dreams. It's completely free. And this is where I teach weekly lessons about how to live your most abundant life, how to manifest with intention, and where you can find a community of women who are also doing the same. This is a safe space for all goddesses to come together and learn how to manifest their desires with ease and to feel supported while they're doing it. Okay? So I would love to have you, goddess. And don't forget to click the link in the description box below if you want to go ahead and join the group. I hope you found value from this video. And if you have, please give it a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get alerted for all of my new videos, because this year I'm dedicated to helping you manifest your most abundant life, goddess. So until next time, keep shining like the goddess that you are. Bye.